Hey everybody, so if you're watching this video, it's because you are interested in learning more about this GVM RGB LED light. What did you say, Marcella? Yes, if you're watching this video, it's because you are interested in learning more about what to do with your backgrounds in your YouTube videos using the GVM RGB LED light. Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and today I am going to show you one of the coolest purchases that I have ever made on Amazon. Do you see this background here? This cool green that I have behind me? You might think to yourself, what in the world am I going to do when I record a YouTube video and I need to change my background color? How do I make my background that much cooler or that much more interesting and dynamic for the type of video that I am trying to create? You see, having a static video, just like the old ones that I used to make, where you just have a boring background, looking back, I'm like, wow, how boring. But you know, it's not just about the fact that it provides one color. It's about the fact that you can change it to different colors. So I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. And by the way, this cool product is called the GVM RGB LED light. So I know that that's a lot of letters that sound kind of confusing, but I promise you that the link is going to be down below so that you can purchase the exact same one that I have purchased if you like this light, and if you're going to continue to be a YouTuber, a vlogger, or if you just want to take really cool pictures with a different kind of background than what you are used to. And I have bought a lot of things on Amazon, some of which I have returned just because they're not the right fit for me. Either they're too technical, because I'm somebody who doesn't like to spend a lot of time learning something and trying to figure it out and reading the instruction manual all day long. So this product was super easy to use. It is really awesome and provides a dynamic setting for the type of videos that I try to create. So I want to show you exactly what it looks like and how I am using it right now. So here goes. Let's go from green to blue to purple to pink to orange and all the way through the color spectrum. Red is personally not, red, orange are definitely not my preferred colors. And I also don't want to feel like I'm doing a video inside of purgatory, right? You know, this is what the red looks like, and I still think that it's really cool. So like if you were doing a Halloween style video, or if your favorite color is red, or that is your brand color for your company, then by all means go ahead and use this color. For me, it is not necessarily one of my favorites, but I'm going to show you which one is my favorite color. So I personally love this bluish color. I feel like it is so complementary to any type of video that you're making. And on top of that, I like people to feel calm and soothed when they watch my videos about trademark law, because trademark law can be kind of complex and just not fun. But anyway, this color always makes me feel like, you know, it's soothing and calm, but it also has like this vibe to it. So this is one of my preferred colors, and I also really like one of the pink colors. If you go to my website, this bluish type color is also on there. And so I think it just might be one of my favorite colors when it comes to doing these types of videos. So here is the pink. Now this type of pink I absolutely love using. And the reason I love this one in particular is because when I am doing videos on different outfit choices, I feel like I want a girly vibe to it. And so pink is a girl color, but it's not so, but it's also fun and funky. And so that's why I love this kind of neon pink in my videos. But I love that I can choose from whatever mood I'm feeling in and then crush my video with the type of ambient lighting that I can set it to. So the cool thing about this light is you're also able to adjust the settings. So you can go from really bright to really dim. So let's stay on this pink color that we are right now, and I am going to up it. Ready? So that is the brightest that this pink will go. And as you see now, I feel like I'm in like Candyland. I love this pink. And so if I want to make it a little bit dimmer because this is just a little too much for me, then I can certainly do that with the light as well. There's just a little knob on the side, and all you do is turn that knob. And here's the dimmest that it'll be. Now, as you can see, I obviously don't use it on this setting because then it looks like I have nothing in my background. So for me, a happy medium is somewhere in the middle. Now you can do this with all of the shades. You can make them brighter or you can make them dimmer. What I love about this light is it actually has a white light also, so you're not restricted to just color. So there is the white setting. So that's just a white light, which I actually really love because it makes the video look really, really clean. So this type of light I might use if I was doing, for example, a makeup tutorial or a hair tutorial, because I feel like it just gives the right type of clean look that you're going for when you're trying to teach somebody how to do something and they need to be able to see your face or your hair in more detail. And so same with this one, you can also adjust it to be brighter or dimmer. There it is on the whitest setting that it'll go. But I'm going to switch back to color because personally I like the colored background. So if you're wondering how the heck I'm, finagling it up there and what I've done to keep it up there, let me show you. I'm actually using my first ever tripod that I ever purchased, which I am going to show you in a separate video. Now, I love that tripod because it wraps itself around everything. It kind of has these octopus legs that are flexible and bendable and will attach to anything and everything. And it is small and compact, so it is great to travel with. But you can see that the GVM light is hooked up to that tripod. So let's go back there. Check it out. So there's my GVM light. You're going to be seeing it backwards, obviously, because my camera is backwards on it. There it is. There is my little light, and the little switches are right there on the side. So if I can stabilize this button right here turns it off and on. All you have to do is press it to turn it off, and when you push it again, it'll go to the white light, and you push it again, and then it'll go to whatever color light setting you have it on. That is the dimmer, and that is to change the color. So that's it. Those are all the features on the side of the light, and that is what it looks like. And that's it, nothing on this side. So I hope that this video was useful and gave you some ideas about what you can do to make your videos a little bit more dynamic. Now, if you want to know about the other tools that I use, then be sure to hit the links down below because I'm going to include another video on a Sunpack vlogging kit that I have done before. And I love the Sunpack vlogging kit, which I actually purchased the Sunpack vlogging kit after I purchased this light, but I love the Sunpack vlogging kit for different reasons. So as you get more accustomed to making YouTube videos and to creating your own brand and, figuring out what you want your videos to look like, I think you're gonna find the right tools for you. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you what tools are out there that might work for you. So don't forget to let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite colors and which you are most likely to use in your videos. Do you like the reddish orange, pink, purple, green, turquoise, green, yellow, or red? Tell me in the comments below.